Let's sketch theta equals negative 300 in standard position. So negative means we go clockwise, backwards. So 300 is 90, 180, 270, all the way to 300. 30 more here, which means the reference angle is 60. So in standard position, we start on the right, we go counterclockwise until 300 degrees later, we have 60 left over as the reference angle. And this quadrant is called quadrant 1. Quadrant 1, or Roman numeral I. And the first positive coterminal angle, we're going to end up spinning in the same direction. We add 360 so that we're coterminal. So 360 added with negative 300 is 60 degrees.